dropping in to see her again. Alright? So this has changed her life because the water is now getting back into her system and changing things. Alright? So now coming back to this. Now this is for weight loss. So thanks to Mr. Manoj Walia from Ludhiana. This picture. Alright? And even cellulites. If you look here. And then the second stage, third. Is removing the cellulites. Alright? And sorry, in Malaysia, I didn't change yet. It is diabetes, blood sugar. Alright? Okay? And there's another extra area you can blow. Now this is where your pancreas are supposed to be. You can blow on them as well. Alright? Now just to share with this. Again, I'm not going against doctors, but just sharing my thought. When you have diabetes, what happens to you? You have a problem with the insulin. Right? Now when you see a doctor, what does the doctor do? He prescribes insulin. Now what is he trying to do? He's trying to help you with your insulin problem. That means your blood, your body, your pancreas is not able to take care of it. So he's helping you with it by giving insulin from the outside to take care of the problem. Along the way, your prescription may slowly increase until one day you may have to jab. But all along, when you take the prescription, you say your sugar is controlled. I am good. It's under control. And you're happy about it. Now what is actually happening? Where is the problem? The problem is at the pancreas. And your pancreas is getting worse from time to time. And that is why the insulin level is slowly increasing. Now what do you have to do? You have to get that pancreas revived. And when you start reviving that pancreas, your insulin, your body starts taking care of the insulin and your medication is going to come down. Now, until now, there is no medicine for pancreas. But people who are using this and drinking the water are finding the changes to their pancreas. And there are people who call me and tell me, I'm today seated at a shop drinking tea, normal tea, no less sugar, no less milk, normal, which I cannot do for so long. At the same time, they are telling you, I'm now eating any food I want. I used to control that, control this, control everything. Now I can eat anything and still my sugar level is normal. That's happening to people. I'm not just saying it, it's not theory, it's happening. Not one person, 2 person, many. Alright? So these are things which are happening because now your body is able to receive something where it can start healing itself. That is the thing. Okay? And this is for kidney. Okay? And also you can blow from the back at the kidneys. Alright? And some people also ask, how do I blow? Now, if you do not have a problem, you just want to do some general maintenance, you may want to blow as such. Now, if you look at this diagram, it has all the three things which I mentioned to you. It has the chakra points, it has the lymph nodes, it has the meridians. Maintenance. Or you can blow this, then go on to something else. Now, if you have a problem, then you might want to look at this chart, look at where your problem is, look at where the points are, and start blowing on them. But or to make things simple, blow all along, all your organs are going to benefit from them. Or you might want to look at your reflexology points at the soles of your feet or on the palms of the hand. Now what you are doing is, you're blowing your chakras at the same time as benefiting your organs. Or you might want to look at your anatomy chart and look at the organs which are giving you problem, blow directly onto them. Make things easier. Alright? So with that, I thank you. We go on to questions. Sorry. Before we have